Hello ladies, I am back with a new makeup tutorial for women that are on the go. This is a very quick natural makeup finish for the mature woman. It's all about the skin. It's all about the skin. Less is best. All products will be listed below if you're interested. I'm taking some Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I don't like to wear my high-end foundations every day, so if I'm doing something really quick or on some days I choose to just use my drugstore foundations, and I love the Maybelline foundation. As you can see, one of my brows is already done for the sake of this video. If you're good with brows, then you can just go ahead and just put them on real quick. Really, this is a simple, quick, natural look. No lashes, no nothing involved. I love how this look turned out. So I'm just filling in my brows with my dip brow, and I'm going to next go ahead and start with the eyeshadows. And you want to use some very neutral shadows. I'm going to be taking a brown color that's very close to my natural skin tone. It has like a peachy undertone. You can choose any natural brown shade that's close to your skin tone. And I'm just kind of winging it out to elongate the eye. You don't have to do this step, but it's just something that I like to do. And I do have a hooded eye, so I'm bringing that color kind of high and close to my brow. And then next, I am going to take a natural white nudish color, and I'm using my finger. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it. Now, I do recommend, if you are of a mature age or you have texture on your eyes, you may want to stay away from shimmers and go to mattes. It won't show as much texture on your eyes, but this is a really pretty color and I want it to add just a little bit of pop. And so now I'm going in with that same brush that I added the brown, and I'm just blending out both shadows seamlessly. Now I'm taking some powder and I'm just setting the foundation lightly. Do not use a lot of powder if you are of a mature age. A lot of powder can just make you look really ashy, and it can settle into your fine lines and wrinkles and make you look older. Now I'm taking a pink blush, and I just love a nice pink blush to just give me a little color flush. And after this, you know, if it's too heavy, you can go back in with your foundation brush and kind of blend that blush in with the foundation and kind of tone it down. Now I'm just taking a liquid liner, and again, all products will be listed below. And I do like to do like a kind of wing liner, like to elongate my eye. I just like how it looks on me. You do not have to do this, but with me having hooded eyes, winging out my eyeliner just gives me a lift. So now I'm going in with this nude eyeliner, and you know, I've been looking a little tired lately. If you want to pick up your eyes, this just helps your eyes to look more awake and a little bit larger. And so that's why I wanted to add the nude liner. Right now I'm contouring with my facial powder. This is actually really the facial powder that I would use every day to match my skin, and I'm using it to contour my nose. Now I'm just taking a brown lip pencil and lining my lips, and I'm blending it out with my finger. And you just want to repeat this step on the top and the bottom. And then I'll be just taking a lip gloss by KYLIE Cosmetics and just adding this on top of the lip liner. This is a very simple, quick, fast, and easy look, ladies. With a little practice, you can accomplish this look, I assure you. This lip gloss is so cute. It has like some gold sparkle in it just to give my lips a little bit of pick-me-up. So now I'm going in with some e.l.f. concealer. It's a hydrating concealer. I do not use matte concealers under my eyes. You want to wait about 5 minutes and let this dry down. That way the product can just kind of spread a little bit better and it doesn't settle in my fine line. So be careful how much concealer you're using, ladies. It can get in those fine lines and wrinkles and make you look a lot older. So I'm just blending this out with my finger and a Real Techniques little brush. I'm not sure what this brush is called, but everything will be listed below. And this is just giving me that extra pop, and it's just waking me up, and you'll see it's just brightening the under eye just a little bit. Nothing too overpowering, but I just love the look that it gives me, especially when I'm looking tired. This just kind of makes me look more awake, and it just brings the look in together, and it just gives it a little bit of pop, if you know what I mean. And so I'm just taking my powder brush and I'm just blending everything in, so there's no harsh lines, and just going over all of my makeup and making sure everything is just blended well. And I lost a little bit of the brown eyeshadow, so I'm taking like a very small brush and I'm just lining the bottom of my lash line, not interfering with the white liner that I put in my waterline. And so it's kind of like, you know, a brown liner and lined a white liner in the waterline, if that makes sense. And I'm just taking a little bit of highlighter, not a lot, just a little bit, to give me a little glow. You know, for mature skin, just a little bit of glow just makes you look a little bit more youthful. And I'm just using some setting spray to set everything together, and I'm using my fan to just help it dry faster. I love using setting spray. So now I've gone ahead and popped my ponytail on, and I'm just fixing my edges up. My hair was already ready, so this is a drawstring ponytail. If you'd like to see this tutorial, leave me a comment below. And this is the final look, guys. I love how simple this is and how it looks. Leave me a comment below and let me know how you like it. See you in another